we're going to decorate a picture frame using moldings. Our supplies are measuring tape, a pencil, the molding, our miter box, sandpaper, a clean rag, our woodworker's glue, and a brush. The first thing we're going to do is measure our edge of the frame, and it needs to be exact, so we've got 7 1/4 inches. So we're going to take our molding. Now on the miter box you're going to see 2 directions. One is left and one is right, and this is very important because we want that cut to have go towards the inside. So our first cut, we're going to measure our 7 1/4 inches, and then we're going to take our edge on the miter saw and we're going to make our first cut to cut that corner. And when we get finished, it's going to be this side of the cut. The next cut we're going to do is we're going to measure again our 7 1/4, and we're going to do the cut on the opposite side of the miter box. So when we finish that cut, you will now have an inside and an outside. So that matches your miter box. Then we're going to take it and we're going to sand our edges to make sure that everything is smooth. Clean it with our rag, both our molding and the surface that we're going to glue. I'm going to take our glue. We're going to the glue on the edge of the molding, and then we're going to press it in place. You can wipe off any excess glue that you have. That'll be the first step of our frame. Then you will repeat that with the length. Again, you're going to clean off your moldings, your edges, add your glue, make sure it's all nice and smooth, and then we're going to make sure that our edge is nice, our corner fits, and you've got your frame in place. If you repeat that, when you finish, you're going to have an edge frame. You can also do 2 different widths of moldings and give it a little interest. And here's some other examples of using the flat mitered cut to decorate. The miter box can also make an edge cut. So if we want to decorate the edge of a shelf or a box, we're going to need an edge cut. So the first thing we're going to do is measure the edge that we want to trim. We've got 8 inches. We measure our molding to 8 inches. Then we're going to take our molding up and down. We're going to match it flush up against the miter box edge, and we're going to cut the miter facing in. So when we finish, the edge will be facing in. Then we're going to repeat that on the other side so that when the cut is made, it matches the corner. This is Susan Mullins from Design 123. I hope this helps you get wild about wood. For more project ideas, log on to giftswithheart.org.